towards financial literacy. Financial literacy is not that you have a bank account. Financial literacy is that you are part of the economy. You can be part of the economy by investing in the market. We want all of you to create your wealth. We don't want you to land up in debt. We don't want you to get carried away by your friends and others that I'm having Apple iPhone, you should also have. You realize the value of money. You live your life happily forever and ever. You not only become empowered by yourself but help others also. That's what we want. And why we started this venture, because when I was teaching in management college, I'm still teaching, but I simply want to switch over completely to this. So what happened, this was COVID time, and there was a boy, he was a brilliant chap. And he wanted to continue his education, MBA, and I shared MBA education is very expensive. He was literally in tears. He said, ma'am, my father is retired, my mama is not working, no bank is ready to lend me loan, because there's no guarantor for me, so collateral ke liye kaun dega? So the bank was not ready to give loan. How will I pay my fees? So we spoke to our chairman and chairman said, okay fine, you can carry on with your education for 2 years. We will not charge from you. But the condition is that after 2 years you should get a job, and within a span of 2 years you'll pay back to us. And this boy was the only boy in the campus who got selected in Deloitte, not for US taxation. He got selected for country risk analysis with the highest package. That made me think about what is the fault of this child? If his parents would have planned, this child would not have faced problem. So why not to sensitize kids right from the school age so that they realize that money is not only money for the transactive motive, but is also important for precautionary and speculative motive. That's why we are here today. आप लोग तो फिर भी बड़े हैं. We address students who are in class 6 and 7.